What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you on how you can add your products on Shopify. Let's start. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Shopify Admin dashboard. In the Shopify Admin, click on Products. It is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're on the product page, click on the Add Product button to begin adding a new product. Fill out the required product details like title, description, images, price, inventory, shipping, and variants. Assign your product to a category or collection to help customers find it easily. You can create new collections or add the products to existing ones. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click on Save or Save and Publish to make your product live on your Shopify store. After publishing, review your product listing to ensure everything looks correct. You can edit product details at any time by going back to the products page in your Shopify admin. And there you go! You've successfully added a product to your Shopify store. Repeat the steps for each new product you want to showcase. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.